Hi, my name is Cindy. My channel is More Than 2 Cents. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm actually doing a sponsored video. So this company, Firmoo, was generous enough to provide me with a free pair of prescription eyeglasses in exchange for this video. So this is going to be an unboxing and review of these affordable prescription eyeglasses. Um, so they come like this. They come in this hard case. Sorry, I have it open a little bit here. But this is how they come. So they come in this nice hard case and it says Firmoo, you define your look. So it's easy to open. It just pops open. And then inside, what do we have here? So they have a little coupon in here. They have more where you can like share it and get more codes if you share it on social media. And then this is kind of the information little packet here. Firmoo is always available for protecting your eyes. It's got the clean and care instructions in here, how to store your glasses. And yeah, it talks about maintaining your eye health and adapting to your new glasses. Okay. And then also in my description box below, I will be including a code as well. So that's my own code that I'm including. And that is going to be good for 50% off of a pair of frames that you order. And so the link to Firmoo will be in there as well. And I'm also going to provide a link to these specific glasses that I got. So these are the glasses that I got. They come in this little pouch. So this is nice because you can, like I use these, I slip these in my purse or whatever if if I take my glasses off, and it protects my glasses from scratching. But you can also use this little pouch to clean your glasses. So that's really nice. I like that. Yeah, and it says right on there, cleaning cloth and pouch. So that's nice. So I picked a tortoiseshell design, and these are progressive glasses. So yeah, so they provided it in my own prescription. So that's wonderful. And these are kind of a smaller frame for smaller faces because that's what I get. But yeah, I really love these. I like them. I don't know. What do you think? How do they look? I really like them. I'm in love with these glasses. I can already tell I'm going to be ordering more. But let me read you a little bit about Firmoo. So Firmoo is a global online eyewear company. They were established in 2009, so they've been around a while. They specialize in offering a wide range of stylish and affordable eyewear products, including prescription, non-prescription, sunglasses, driving, reading, blue light glasses, etc. So that's awesome. Okay, and then, so I want to tell you a little bit about the pair that I chose. So the pair that I chose, they are model number DBSN 62320, color tortoise C104, and these retail for only $23.99. I know, can you believe it? Yeah, so that's such a bargain. Okay, so they feature a keyhole bridge. So, they're talking about right here. So it's kind of a keyhole shape. I'm not sure if you can pick that up. So that keyhole bridge, it eliminates pressure from the top of the nose. This lightweight frame is great for every occasion. The seamless design of embedded rivets highlights your everyday look. So they're talking about right here on the ends. Just adds a little more pizzazz. I like that. Okay, and then it talks about the size of the frames, the width, lens diagonal length, the material they're made out of, which is acetate. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then it also says, yes, they are available in bifocal progressive prescriptions. And that it does not have a spring hinge. Okay, so those are kind of the details about the side, or the ones that I chose. Okay, and a little more general information about Firmoo and their policies. So they have a 60-day return and exchange. So unsatisfactory glasses can be exchanged or refunded within 60 days of receiving. Only shipping fees will apply, and each order is eligible for a one-time exchange return. Also, they have a 365-day warranty. So customers will enjoy a 365-day warranty, and that's 365 days, from the time that you received the glasses, and it covers any possible defect in materials and workmanship. This warranty does not cover damage caused by accidents, negligence, or improper care. So that's nice. That's a really good return policy. I think these glasses go with a lot of different looks, but they have tons of different frames available in every style and color you could imagine. So again, the links will all be provided in my description box, and make sure you check out that 50% off code if you are going to order a pair of frames. That's an awesome deal. And I think I've covered everything. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video today. Thank you, Firmoo, again, and thank you for joining me and watching this video. Thank you if you are a subscriber. Welcome back, and I appreciate you so much. And thank you if you're new and you're just checking out my video today. I hope that you might stick around and maybe subscribe. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye.